back at it. Gonna pull the exhaust off. Let me show you a couple things. O2 sensor, it actually ran up, plugged in right in back of the air box. So I just fished that out because we're not gonna use that. We got a bracket here, a clamp here to take loose, and then a mounting bracket for the muffler there. And then we'll go up front, and we'll take all those off. And that will get the exhaust out of the way and ready for the new one. It's a nut on the back side of this clamp, which is a little tight to get to. Not sure why it doesn't want to come out. We're going to take the front one and then we'll get that out. Alright, so exhaust is off. The exhaust is M4. We've been using M4 since probably 2008, I think. They've been good to us, always treated us fair. They've got really good systems. They dyno well, come in, the pipes are numbered to each cylinder. 4. There's number 1, and then the actual collector itself is numbered 1 through 4. So we start off by putting the pipes in the collector, getting it mounted. We don't really tighten everything up until we have everything in place. Once we get everything in place, then we can tighten up the flanges. We'll use the same exhaust washers that were on there and nuts that we had before. They do send us springs and bolts for the brackets. We got the bracket for the muffler that comes with it, the mid pipe, and then it has a plug because we don't use a O2 sensor, so we block that off. Nice carbon look, but we'll get started. So here's a collector. And that's what it looks like. Hopefully I got it fixed. Alright, got all the pipes in. That wasn't too bad. I've had them a lot worse. Alright, on the mid pipe, you got a plug here for O2 sensor. In the bag, you get an adapter, or you actually get a plug. We're going to plug it off. We're not going to use the O2 sensor on here. I got the 2 springs on the other side. I'm going to mount these here. Right in here, we have the stock bracket for the exhaust. We'll use that. I'm going to use a stock bolt for that as well. We'll also have a spring underneath from the collector to the mid pipe. Okay. That's it for the bracket. We'll Loctite these 2 in. This one I'll probably drill a hole in the back of it, or just put some wire tie around it so the nut can't back off of that. Tighten up that bolt. We'll tighten up all those nuts, and then we'll be ready to put the radiator back in and get this bad boy going again.